guys, I'm Qwame Eli, and today I'm live on the premises of Alwaays Always Recording Studios. Let me take you inside, and before that, don't forget to hit the notification button and subscribe. Thank you.
Content. Stand for, we're killing for, we're going to hell for. Yeah.
Hello guys, I'm Qwame Eli. Right here is the hall, as you can see, and I'm joined in here by a young gentleman. I will disclose his name later on. But for your information, if you are watching this video and you're outside Ghana or you're outside Accra, yes, this studio comes with a place of comfort where you can sleep, spend the night whilst you work on your recording. So wherever you are, join us right here at Alwaays Always Recording Studios. I've been through the place and it's so beautiful, guys. It's beautiful. And they are located at East Legon Hills, Santo. When you get to Santo, just ask of Alwaays Always Entertainment Office. They'll bring you to this place. I'll take you to the main studio itself so we can continue the conversation from there. Stay tuned.
You are now listening to the hottest producer with the hottest beats.
Okay, so we are in the studio itself. So this is the studio as you saw earlier on, or as you can see now. And this studio is very spacious. The place is huge and very big. There is one AC here that you can see the way we are freezing right here. Yes, so you have to be here. You have to be part of Alwaays Always Recording Studio. And this studio is located at East Legon Hills. If you are watching, East Legon Hills, Santo Axe of Alwaays Always Recording Studio or Alwaays Always Entertainment Center. Or you can follow them with the GPS. Yes, it's Alwaays Always Entertainment Center. When you just locate that, it will bring you right here. It's not far. When you want a room, there's a room here, a very big room for any visitor who wants to come and record and spend the night. Some people will prefer recording in the night, others will prefer recording at dawn. So all these things have been factored into it right here at Alwaays Always Recording Studio. We really enjoyed ourselves coming here, guys. Do not forget to call their number if you want to call them and book for studio bookings and other stuff. I don't know much about it. Just call them on 0243 55 4477. When you call them, you can speak to the manager in charge or the studio engineer in charge, and you'd book and come for your perfect recordings. God bless you so much. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification button. My name is Qwame Eli, and today we visited Alwaays Always Recording Studios. Stay tuned. Hey.
You are now listening to the hottest producer with the hottest beats.
Yeah. Content.
Stand for, we're killing for, we're going to hell for.
Yeah. Content. Yeah. Sika so Ghana. Still I hustle wa shama. Street to 4 to Ozana. Cause I can boys at the block in the diamond. My shipping me Panamera just for summer. Cause I buy CKD in the crack cause a drama. Ubiko go bisa brama. Kamoko Senkuna will use on the primer. Politics, evil, yeah. They got no love for the people. Ubi say woman penny say me hiano. Sako they just wanna meet you. Says yeah the cash and I lock in a company I guess a grab for my truck. And a boom who's a tata house for my boss and be charging me fees. I will be out to me sorting. The industry is falling. Company be overhauling. Shut up and first and not balling. But it's